From the very first glance, the design speaks nostalgia, with square fenders, round LED headlights set into chrome bezels, and a tall, wide grille that echoes GMC's pickups from the 1970s and 82nd. It captures old-school vibes perfectly. The two-tone paint options, with rich colors like Harvest Copper and Summit White, contrast beautifully with the polished trim. Optional wood grain side panels bring even more classic flavor to the look. But don't let the vintage appearance fool you under the hood. This truck is built to perform. The 2025 GMC Vintage comes with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 430 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it's capable of towing over 10,000 pounds. There's also a hybrid variant that combines a smaller V6 with an electric motor for better fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Inside, the cabin is a seamless blend of classic cues and high-end technology. You'll find retro-style gauges on a modern digital display, real metal and leather trim, and an old-school bench seat option in higher trims. The dashboard features a 3.4-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium Bose sound system that's tuned to deliver warm, analog-style audio. Even though this truck leans heavily into retro styling, safety and tech features are cutting edge. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. There's even GMC's Super Cruise hands-free driving tech available on top trims. So while the truck looks vintage, it drives like it's from the future. GMC is offering the vintage pickup in rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations, with short and long bed options. It rides on classic-style chrome 18-inch wheels, but buyers can upgrade to 20-inch alloys or even go for Steelies with white letter tires for the ultimate throwback look. Pricing starts around $48,000 and can go north of $70,000, depending on configuration and options. For collectors and enthusiasts, GMC is also offering a limited heritage edition with badging, unique interior trim, and numbered plaques. Only 1975 of these will be made, a nod to the iconic trucks of the mid-70s. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck isn't just another new release. It's a tribute, a love letter to American truck history. And if you've ever dreamed of owning a classic pickup, but with modern comfort, power, and reliability, this is your chance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2025 GMC Vintage? Would you daily drive it or keep it as a collector's piece? Let us know and stay tuned for more new releases right here.